This is a 2005 Ford 500. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated front seats, a premium audio system, 18-inch wheels, and a multi-link rear suspension. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, performance tires, four-wheel independent suspension, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Wade Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3860 South Cobb Drive in Smyrna.